This is Ian Lamont. I've been a Shopify seller for more than 5 years, and today I'm going to show you how to edit a Shopify collection page like this one to change the text and remove items from the collection. If the video helps, please take a moment to like and subscribe. Information on how to contact me is in the description and bio. So this is a collection we want to change. Basically the sale's over. I want to remove this text. I want to leave some of this text alone, like this stuff down here. Then the other thing I want to do is I want to remove some of these items that are actually no longer discounted. You can see some are still discounted, but I definitely want to get rid of these because the price has been reverted to normal. So you may be wondering, well, how can I edit the text on this page? And maybe you're not familiar with Shopify, or you've just been hired, or you've been assigned to manage a Shopify collection or a sale page or something, and this is how to do it. So go into the Shopify console. And right now we're on the products page. This shows all the products, and I can edit individual descriptions of the products here. What I want is the collections. And then what I want is the collection that needs to be edited. And it's this one right here, holiday sale. So I'm going to click that. And you can see holiday sale, save 20% or more. So I want to make some various changes to this page, starting with the text. So the first thing I'm going to remove is the save 20% or more. Because the next time that I do this particular sale, this is going to be next year, it's the sale level may be different, or there may be some other feature. But I do want to have the title holiday sale. I'm going to keep that, but I just removed the rest of it. Now, at this point, I could just click save here, and that would save my progress. And that maybe is a good idea to do if you are, working with a lot of changes. You want to make sure that something is inputted before you move on to the next one. But you can also just do everything, and then at the very end, click the save button. So holiday sale. The next thing I'm going to do is to remove this one. The Easy Genie 2024 holiday sale is happening now. I'm going to say the Easy Genie holiday sale is over. All right, so I'm just going to highlight the text and type over it. I'm going to get rid of this. And you know what? The free shipping thing, I think I'm going to get rid of that too. And one thing you need to be careful of when you're talking about free shipping or special offers, and it's on a collection page, if you make a change to your policy or you make a change to your rates and you forget to update the collection page, you can really, upset some of your customers who see something and they're expecting a discount. So get rid of that if it's not absolutely necessary to keep it. So I'm going to say that the Easy Genie holiday sale is over. Check in again next year. Check in again later for holiday deals. And you can see that the text is bolded. I don't want that. I'm going to highlight it, and then I'm going to click the bold icon right above on the toolbar there. Okay. So looking for a discount code, subscribers to our free genealogy newsletter get first dibs with early announcements, blah, blah, blah. So this is actually something I've been doing for years. I'm not going to change it. I'm going to keep it here. The other thing I might want to do is I actually might want to mention that there is a clearance item. So I say, see our full catalog here. That just goes to all the items we have. I'm also going to say, see sale in clearance items here. And I do have a collection that's called sale and clearance. And I'm going to see if I can cook that up. All right, so I actually have to paste it in. Actually, there's an easy way to do that. So I'm just going to go back to this page. This is the actual live website. And I have a link here that says sale items. And this is all things on sale, although you can see I need to do some edits there too. I'm just going to copy that URL, and then I'm going to paste it back into insert link. So it says see all sale and clearance items here. So that means when people come to this particular page, and they see the holiday sale is over, they can basically, at least they'll be able to go to the current sale and clearance items, which are not tied to any holiday. All right, so I'm going to click save again, just because I think I'm done with the text, but there's still a few other things I need to do right on this page. And one of it is to remove the items that are no longer on sale. And so if you go to this actual live page, you can see that a couple things still are on sale. Actually, wait, this is the wrong one. This one right here. A couple things are on sale, like the sampler here, but all these other items, or most of them, are no longer on sale. Actually, I can see I made a couple mistakes. I need to do some more editing of the items. But what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go through, and the ones that I know are no longer on sale, I'm just going to exit out. Now, the way that this collection is set up, it's kind of manually done. So I manually added the items. But I can also set up the collection so it's according to certain price triggers or whatever. Because this is manual, I'm just going to go through and do it this way. So I pretty much know which ones are no longer part of the holiday sale. These other ones are still being discounted, and also maybe I just want to have a couple items remaining on the page. Even items that are sold out will never be sold again, just so people know the types of things that one can expect during the holiday sale. So I'm going to leave that alone. So that's all set. I don't need to save it. It looks like it automatically saves it. Now there's one other thing that needs to be changed, and this is this thing right here. Big sale on now. Now, the sale is no longer on. So I definitely want to remove that, because this particular image, it shows up in certain places. For instance, when you're browsing on the website, and also when somebody links to the page from an external website, like they put it on social media, sometimes this image will show up, and I don't want this to show up. Big sale on now. So that's a custom image that I got on Canva, that I created on Canva. So I want to get rid of that. So I could either design a new one, or I can see if there's something else in here that I can use. So you can see that there's lots of different images here. So maybe what I'm going to do is holiday. Just see if any other holiday image comes up that's not related to sales. And unfortunately, it doesn't look like it is. So let's see if I have something else like tree. Okay. All right. Well, here's one that looks pretty harmless. I'm just going to use that one. Yeah, it looks like it's the same image, just the text has been removed. So that's great. It just gives an idea of what it is, but it doesn't have any specifics. Now, you can also, there's one other thing to change. That's a search engine listing. You can see holiday sale, current sale items and holiday promotions, plus a free shipping offer. Check back for the latest deals. Be sure to subscribe to our free weekly genealogy newsletter. So I'm going to change the free shipping thing because I'm not sure how long that's going to be sticking around. So I'll just get rid of that. And this is the SEO listing. So what this means is when people search for Easy Genie, or they find Easy Genie on Google or Bing or whatever, it'll show this text. So that's what I want. Okay. All right, let's see what the changes look like in the field. So this is the live page. I'm going to just hit reload the page, and you can see the text is changed. So this is the Easy Genie holiday sales over. That's correct. I got rid of the 20% thing in the title, and you can see all sale and clearance items here. I might want to test the link. Yes, that works. And then you can see I left a couple items up there. So I think we're in a good state. I've done what I wanted to do. I edited a collection page, and I hope that this video helped you. If it did, please take a moment to like it and subscribe. And I guess I'm going to see you next time. This is Ian Lamont signing off.